What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a good one. We're in front of Judge Simmons out of Michigan, and we have a defendant who decided to call the person he wasn't supposed to almost 200 times. Then he asked for a bond reduction. Then he starts crying to the court. Yeah, it's that kind of case. Before I get into it, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
On the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Tyrone Howell, 25-032357 and 2382. Appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Abigail Wilson on behalf of the people.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Aaron Schroeder on behalf of Mr. Howell. Mr. Howell, please stand up. Thank you. Who is present stands to my right.
Mr. Howell has a preliminary examination on one file that has a home invasion. Third, the other file has an unlawful imprisonment, 2 counts of assault with intent to great bodily harm, and a DV. Third, are we proceeding today?
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the people are requesting a good cause adjournment on both files. Both files involve the same named complainant. While I was preparing for this case last night, I checked some jail calls. I found approximately 198 calls to the victim's phone number. It was registered in the jail system to the victim. A good chunk of them came from Mr. Howell's jail account. A good chunk of them came from other inmates' accounts. Given the volume of them, I was not able to go through all of them. So at this time, the people are requesting some time to be able to investigate that.
198 calls or 188 calls suspected to be to the victim?
198 calls to the victim's phone number, a good chunk of them from Mr. Howell's account, a good chunk of them from another account that I suspect Mr. Howell was using.
Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd be objecting to that. Mr. Howell is in custody and being held. I have not been presented with any of these alleged calls, any call logs, any recording. At this time, we are ready to proceed today. We were anticipating and ready to go forward today, so we would be demanding at this point to start the exam and to move forward. Thank you.
I would demand that there wouldn't be 198 phone calls that we need to investigate. It doesn't sound like that's gonna turn out in my favor. I don't know why there would be even the allegation of a phone call when you're advised not to have contact directly or indirectly with a protected party. And then while you're sitting in the jail, which advises you that this call is recorded, that there would be phone calls made on a recorded line. You got to be a weirdo to do that, or an idiot, one of the two. Only a weirdo or an idiot would do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Especially when violating your bond is a contempt of court order. You can face up to 93 days per violation. So the request to have this case dismissed is going to be denied. If there was 190.
All right. Can we talk about what Judge Simmons just said there? Because I love it. You're either a weirdo or an idiot. I like it. I mean, which one is he? A weirdo or an idiot? You know, might not be mutually exclusive either. You can be a weirdo and an idiot. Yeah, I don't know. I like it though.
8 calls. It's a large chance that there's been some witness tampering. But an investigator now needs to be assigned, and that's going to take the investigator countless hours to listen to 198 calls because they're recorded, so they know exactly what was said, and then figure out how this matter can be resolved. So until then, to safeguard you, I'm gonna suspend all of your phone call and video privileges, all, okay? You're not to use any phones while in custody. You understand that?
Your Honor.
Yes,
With regard to that, is he still able to have communications with myself, like the smart jail system?
yes.
Thank you. That we do use that. We would also ask for a bond because bond reduction due to the nature of the fact that he's still in custody on this.
I don't know how anything that I just heard like furthers the request for a bond reduction. 198 alleged calls to the victim is not like a good baseline to say, hey, I want to get a reduction in bond. Actually, what I'm doing right now is restricting some of your liberties, if you haven't noticed. So the request to reduce the bond is denied.
October 2nd at 10.
October 2nd at 10.
Is there any date earlier, Your Honor? I know that.
October 2nd at 10.
Thank you.
That was the earliest date we had.
I
You
understand.
know, just go pick stuff out months later for fun.
I understand. You said 10 a.m.
Yes.
Thank you.
Any additional matters for the record?
Not for the people.
I would just ask that obviously any evidence that is procured or produced, they turned over as soon as possible, so I maybe.
Absolutely, I would hope. I would hope. I don't know how long it takes for them to go through 198 calls, though.
I understand.
The alleged already.
Stop.
And I feel like I'm being railroaded here. I'm innocent. I haven't done anything. I'm being held up. I'm a father, a parent. My kids got school. It's hard on the mothers already as it is.
You know
And
that
then,
tell me?
these people are saying that I haven't done anything. So why am
Who's
I
these
still
people?
giving? I'm saying it. She got a statement of the alleged.
Stop.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying, sir, I'm trying to protect you from saying anything that can be put under in the record.
Where of my innocence?
It would be against my advice that you make statements.
It's up to you if you want to make a statement. That she's advising you. I don't get to tell you what you can and can't say. If you want to waive your right to remain silent, you can do that, understanding that anything you say can be used against you.
Yes, Your Honor.
And these are two separate files with very serious allegations. So these are not.
And I believe there's a third as well in front of Judge Flores.
A third file.
Third felony file, same victim.
Yeah, and then these are serious counts. Because you're being charged in one of the domestic violence third offense.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was you a father
I've
in the
never-
first and second
I
offense?
never did any.
Were you
I
a
was
father your
yes,
first?
Your Honor.
Then you got
No,
two.
I
You
haven't
got
been
two
in trouble
convictions
since-
for domestic violence already.
I haven't been in trouble since.
3
2015, Your
files.
Honor.
3 files. 3 felony files with the same victim and 198 calls.
And a fourth controlled
In a
substance
sense
file.
of, so I can make up a story.
Stop,
I'm saying, can anybody make up a story and just
Oh, so everybody's lying on you.
100%, Your Honor?
Got it. You're all set.
Thank you.
I will get you the rest of the information as soon as I have, okay?
All right. That's it. That's the end of it. That one was just kind of a fun way to break up the Monday, right? We have either a weirdo or an idiot called somebody supposedly 198 times, didn't ask for a bond reduction, and then says he's being lied on. Yep. You guys heard it. All right. That's it. That's all I got. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Until next time, bye.
I'm gonna call Matthias still back whenever not working.
You can bring it up and continue.
Okay.
Whoever she's ready on.